Hello everyone, I finished the birthday shaker for my sister. Shh, don't tell her. Don't tell her. So we did the ribbon extra, as you can see right here. And here is one of the tags that you get. You get two, a more ornate one that corresponds to this look here, and then this one with clean lines. This one is super cute, this tag. There are stitch marks in them already, so when you cut it out, it'll on your machine, it will do the stitching on it. So it's really cute, the faux stitching. And then for the back, I had this file updated. I wanted the mat corrected. In the previous one, there was no matting in these areas here. So when we would try to close this this piece here, it would get caught because it was too thick there. But now it just closes super easy and it's just perfect. So that was updated. For those of you who do not have a cutting machine, we added to the project folder PDFs, so you can hand cut if you still want to make these. All right, so these are fabulous. This is the gift card, the shaker gift card holder. You can do it for any occasion. You can find this gift card shaker holder in the Fast and Fun inserts. And with that one tutorial, I just want to show you that you get so much. And I don't have everything here pictured, but in Fast and Fun inserts, you get all of the Fast and Fun inserts I created within that category. All right, so it's not just this, you get a bunch. Okay, it is the tutorial that keeps on giving, guys. So I hope you love this design. I'm very proud of it. Super cute, super unique, guys. It's a nice size for a gift, so it's a nice substantial piece. You will also be able to fit a note in here if you want to, and or a photo if you want to. Whatever you want, you can put in here. Again, nice size. The finished size is approximately 5 by 7, so it's got a lot more it's beefier than all the other gift card holders that I have done in the past. So I hope you love it. Let me know what you think and give me a thumbs up if you love it. Thank you. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'll link you down below to your purchase options.